Hello everybody, today I'm here with the Sweet Treat Slime Kit, and inside of this kit there are many things in it. As you see here, there are many materials so you can make some slime. For example, here that I've made before, and we have different decoration, confetti, glitter, snow powder, sprinkles, and they give us all of the materials we need to make it, and they even give us like instructions. We have different types of slime we can make. We can make basic fluffy slime, fluff butter slime, chocolate chip and cherry fluffy slime, etc. And as you see here, they show us the instructions on how to make it and what you will need to make it. As I said before, you have enough materials to make it. So as you can see here, I've made plenty of slime, and I'm going to show you one of them only. So this is supposed to be a chocolate chip slime, so yeah, it's very nice. It is very nice. It is very easy, and if you like to make slime, you may like to make this too, because it is very easy, number one, and number two, it is very fun to make. Okay, so let's yeah, that's all. Bye bye.